Hi friends, welcome back to AvanPakasastram. I hope everyone is doing well. Take care of yourself. Today I will show you how to make sesame powder. Required ingredients are sesame 3 cups, Urad Dal 1 tablespoon, Chana Dal, Dhaniya Seeds, Zeera Seeds, red chillies, groundnuts, tamarind, Kaju is optional, and salt as per the requirement. On the flame, place a pan on it, add sesame, dry roast them for 5 to 6 minutes until they become golden brown color. You should not make them black. Take care of it. Fry until golden brown color. Yeah, the color will change. Now keep it aside. Let it come to the room temperature. On the on the flame, take another pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder. Add Urad Dal, Chana Dal, Dhaniya Seeds, Jeera, red chillies. Fry them until golden brown color. Don't make them black. Take care of it. Add a piece of Hing. Mix all the ingredients very well. Fry them until they are crispy and they have turned into golden brown color. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Sorry, fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Off the flame. Now add roasted. You have roasted now. Mix all these ingredients. Mix all the ingredients very well. Now transfer it in the mixer jar. You have to make the powder of it by adding a pinch of salt. Now 1 tablespoon of salt. Add salt and add this into the mixer jar. Make it fine powder. Powder is ready. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Jai Hind.